Hey there! Welcome to my channel. Let's do this tiny and beautiful Christmas tree for this year. For this DIY, I use classic Blue Spruce garland, and it has a natural grass green color that I like very much. And before work, I washed it for my new DIY. It was used on its regular way as a garland, so I decided to make something new. I began to wrap the floristic wire around the faux Christmas tree small branch and attach Christmas tree on barbecue stick. Or it can be any other thin stick you can find. Again, wrap spruce on stick and again take the small branch. Sometimes you can cut if a spruce is too long. Sometimes you can fold it on half and attach spruce to stick until you finish it or get the height you need. I lost part of video where I started to wrap wire on that stick in 2022, so I have to make the first shoot to show you my first steps. So sorry for different angles. I repeat steps until I finish my tiny tree. I got about 50 centimeter barbecue stick and I used only 40 of it. For 20 I used as a stand and make a small stand for it from gypsum, and I used old toothbrush drowned in glue and apply glue on it. And after then I sprinkle faux snow on the whole tiny tree. I repeat this step few times because sometimes it fell down, and the rest I drown in prepared gypsum and used to stand for it and stabilize. I also have beautiful Christmas ribbon, so I wrap it around my gypsum. My tiny Christmas trees are ready. I like them very much. They look so cozy and so comfortable at my house. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.